सबको नमस्ते। मैं प्रतीक मनोरे बी फार्म फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट हूँ और हम लोग वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे की रैली, हेल्थ अवेयरनेस रैली कर रहे हैं। हम HK सोसाइटी के मातोश्री तारा देवी रामपुरे फार्मास्यूटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट से आए हैं। तो हम लोग हेल्थ अवेयरनेस रैली इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि सारे अवेयरनेस लोगों के लिए ये बताने के लिए कि सब लोग हम टैबलेट्स, जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन टैबलेट्स है वो करेक्टली लें। एंटीबायोटिक्स जो टैबलेट्स रहते हैं वो सब प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के बिना ना लें, और जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन डॉक्टर्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो सारे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कोर्स कंप्लीट करो, तो ताकि वो लोग को हेल्थ के लिए बेनिफिशियल है। तो उनके हेल्थ के लिए हम लोग ये रैली बना रहे हैं कि सारे फार्मासिस्ट ये बता रहे हैं कि हम लोग हेल्थ अवेयरनेस रैली इसलिए बना रहे हैं कि हेल्थ के लिए बेनिफिशियल फॉर हेल्थ, बेनिफिशियल फॉर आवर हेल्थ एंड बेनिफिशियल ऑफ द पब्लिक हेल्थ।
हमको ऐसा रहता सर, अब कुछ पेन हुआ तो हम डायरेक्ट पैरास्टामोल ले लेते। हमको पता नहीं रहता सर कि वो पेन किसके लिए, बैक पेन है या नेक पेन है या बॉडी पेन है, उसके ऊपर से हम टैबलेट लेना पड़ता। अगर तुमको टैबलेट नहीं लेना है तो डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करके एक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिख के आप फार्मासिस्ट से ड्रग ले सकते हैं। अगर तुमको नहीं होता है तो प्लीज़ मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप सबको लोगों को कि आप डायरेक्टली एक टैबलेट तुम्हारे भाई या तुम्हारे दोस्त या तुम्हारे रिश्तेदार से एडवाइस से टैबलेट मत लो, या कौन सा भी मेडिसिन मत लो। फार्मासिस्ट या डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करके प्रिस्क्रिप्शन से टैबलेट।
कुछ लोग पेन किलर लेते हैं, ऐसा कुछ बॉडी पेन।
हाँ वही सर, आप कोई भी पेन किलर हो तो उसका साइड इफेक्ट होगा, कोई भी एक एडवांटेजेस होगा तो उसका डिसएडवांटेजेस भी होगा। तो इसलिए मैं कहना चाहता हूँ आप पहले कंसल्ट करिए, बाद में फार्मासिस्ट से प्रिस्क्रिप्शन से ड्रग लीजिए और मेडिसिन लीजिए, वरना नहीं लीजिए। ये मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है सर सब लोगों को। ये आजकल बहुत बढ़ रहा है सर। अब खेड़े गाँव में, विलेज में चाहिए तो अब वो डायरेक्ट पेन किलर देते हैं। अब कुछ बॉडी पेन हुआ तो पेन किलर देते हैं। अब डिसीजेस बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं सर, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ फार्मासिस्ट या डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करके आप टैबलेट ले लीजिए।
I am Dr. Nitin Mahorkar, Principal HK's Matosri Taradevi Rampur Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we are celebrating World Pharmacist Day. It is celebrated on 25th of every September, and it is celebrated since 1909. It was first decided to celebrate a pharmacist day because all the medicines can be toxic medicines. So because of that, in Turkey they held an international conference with almost 400 members, and today we have more than 2 million members in this International Federation of Pharmaceutical Association, so which is known as FIP. So this is all the world countries are members of this FIP. Then later on in Netherlands, in the year 1910, they celebrated with a theme that ask your pharmacist for proper usage of the medicines. And from then onwards, we are celebrating this World Pharmacist Day every 25th, because all the allopathic drugs are highly toxic drugs. So a proper consumption of the drugs, and with a proper timing, and with reference to especially these antibiotics, how to complete the course. If you do not complete the course, what can be side effects? So all this encompassing for the sake of the awareness of society across the world. Across the world this is celebrated. European country or Arabian countries or Indian country, everywhere it is celebrated, so that we communicate that pharmacists are an integral part of the healthcare system. They work along with the doctors and the nurses, and they are also COVID warriors, and they have taken a lot of important role in the manufacture of medicines, in the dispensing of the medicine, in fixing their dosage of the medicines, and in prescription analysis, in hospital services, in community services, through medical shops, and through drug regulatory affairs like drug inspector, etc., for the quality production of the medicines and all other things, pricing of the medicines and proper channeling of the medicines during various times. Every year we select a particular theme. It may be on dengue, it may be on chikungunya, it may be on the services of storage of the drugs, it can be on the usage of the medicines, or it can be about the services a pharmacist will render to the society. So encompassing all these things, every year one theme is decided internationally, and we work on that particular theme, and we chalk out various programs for Pharmacist Day. This year we have chalked out 2 days programs. That is, today we are doing a rally wherein we have shown placards about misuse of the alcohol, about the misuse of the tobacco, about risk of self-medication, and about the post-COVID symptoms, and not to take medicines in post-COVID symptoms if they have some complications like heart complication or whatever other complications. So they should report to the healthcare system. And tomorrow's day we are celebrating in our campus, wherein we almost 50 students are donating the blood to the society, and then we have tree plantation program, then we have pharma exhibition program, wherein we will make awareness about what are probiotics, role of probiotics, like taking a healthy diet, like brands or fiber rich food or importance of the lactobacillus, etc. We give a very thorough exposure to common man about these things, and we also tell about the risk that are involved in carbonated water or cold water, cold drinks, how they can pose a risk. Then we also make people aware about the junk foods, wherein people are taking the junk foods and they are spoiling their health, and unhygienic food conditions, and how viral transmission takes place, how bacterial transmission takes place, role of antibiotics, and all these things we are covering in these 2 days. It is only and only sole purpose is to make society aware of these allopathic drugs, which are highly toxic, which can be highly dangerous. People have lost so many lives. When during Corona somebody said that chloroquine will work there, so people started gathering chloroquine tablets, and they have lost a life because it can cause tachycardia and cardiac arrest also. Like that, there are so many such other drugs are there, wherein high dose of the antibiotics they have taken, high dose of the painkillers they have taken, which can be fatal or toxic to the kidneys also. So this kind of self-medication can be highly risky to the society. So people should be aware how to take the medicines. At the same time, they should be aware how to dispose the medicines. Many people do not know how to dispose the medicines, because after usage they may throw in the garbage. So wherein birds will eat those tablets, birds will eat those capsules, and it poses a threat to the ecosystem and to the birds. So because of that, how to dispose, how to crush a tablet and throw it in the drain, this also we make aware. And storage of the medicines, many people store in a casual place where there is humidity, or near the children, where accessible to the children. So all these things we make aware, so that if it is meant for cold storage, it should be stored in the fridge. In cold storage, if it is supposed to be stored in the freezer, it should be stored in the freezer. If it is in the compartment door, it should be stored in the compartment door. So this kind of awareness we make to the people, and I thank all of you for cooperating, and wishing this World Pharmacist Day a grand success. Thank you, one and
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೋನೋ ಟಿಫಿನ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೋನೋ ಟಿಫಿನ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್
ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ